Let's create a UV sphere. Ctrl 3 to subdivide. Right-click and shade smooth to smooth the surface. Let's create a curve circle, and press the 3D button. If you don't see the curve circle, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. Right-click and S to subdivide. Let's select these curve points and move them downward a bit. Type A to select all, and V and A to smooth the curve. Let's create a text object, and Tab to edit the text like this. R, X, and 90 to rotate the mesh 90 degrees on the X-axis. We can extrude the text like this. Let's convert this text object into mesh. Tab to go to edit mode, A to select all, and right-click and S to subdivide at least twice. Time to use the curve modifier. S to scale the text object. G and X to move the text object along the curve. Hover the cursor, and type I as in India to set a keyframe on X like this. Let's go to the last frame, increase or decrease the X value and set another keyframe. In Animate tab, go to Channel, Extrapolation Mode, and select Linear Extrapolation Mode. This is the end of the tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.